a water softener that doesn't need salt. Initially, I thought this was like buying snake oil, so I decided to perform my own tests. I put out some catch cups, installed the new water softener, and I was surprised by the collection results. It actually does seem to be doing something to the water because the increase in distribution uniformity was about 3% on an already very efficient system. My disclaimer for this, though, is that I only performed 4 tests, 2 with and 2 without. So I'm not saying that 100% that it does work, but I am seeing some excellent results. In this section, you're able to see I got about an extra foot of throw distance, which would explain the increased distribution uniformity. These tests were performed back to back within minutes of each other, where I would set up the cups, take the test, and then swap and put the unit on and do the test again. If you're interested, you should check out their website. They have other claims that they are making, like the irrigation. They say that they increased 10%, which in volume, which that may be true. Mine was showing 3%, but overall the volume may be actually at 10%, and it's just reflecting as a 3% in catch cup distribution uniformity. Tell me what you think in the comments.